is coming in, looks like there are more war of words flying between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party. Remember, they are full-on united partners in the alliance of the India bloc. But Samajwadi Party leader and a senior leader here is saying Rahul Gandhi lacks leadership quality. Samajwadi Party neta saying Rahul is 55, sudhrega nahi. Congress has hit back saying Samajwadi Party has RSS link, and I'm talking about Ram Gopal Yadav, a senior leader of the Samajwadi Party, family to Akhilesh Yadav, saying Khadge is our neta, Mallikarjun Khadge is our neta, not Rahul Gandhi. Mosmi, this is as direct as it possibly can get. Let's listen in first to what Ram Gopal Yadav had to say.
समाजवादी पार्टी तो ये चाहती है कि इंडिया गठबंधन कायम रहे और इंडिया गठबंधन मिलके चुनाव लड़े। गठबंधन के नेता तो अभी खड़गे साहब हैं।
Right, so that's the latest coming in. Samarth Srivastav joins me for the latest on that. I just want to quote it here again because these are blunt words. Rahul is about 55 years of age. Sudhrega nahi. He will not improve. He lacks leadership quality. Congress hits back saying Samajwadi Party leader has RSS link. Let's listen in now, and Samarth also joining me over this. Samarth, that's quite a shocker, would I say, because he's after all a senior leader of SP in partnership and alliance with the Congress party, and then to say it as blatantly as he did.
Well, exactly. Things were all right after the success in Lok Sabha elections, at least for Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh and as well as Congress, because Congress also won 6 seats while SP won 37 seats. But it seems that after the results of by-election and other state elections, that Ram Gopal Yadav, senior SP leader, saying that we saw the earlier bite of Ram Gopal Yadav where he was saying that Congress couldn't win Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, etc. And we don't see Rahul Gandhi as a leader, Khadge as a leader. This is the latest version coming from Ram Gopal Yadav. So while if you talk about the UP Congress, the local leaders are also taking on each other. IP Singh, the spokesperson of Samajwadi Party, is posting on X that Rahul lacks leadership quality. He is 55, he won't be the leader. So that's the blame by IP Singh. While the Congress local leader, UP Congress, the spokesperson Anshu Awasthi is hitting back saying that that particular IP Singh has links with RSS. So that's what's currently happening. The point which began from Maharashtra, Mahavikas Aghadi, after Abu Azmi's statement with about the Babri, when the Uddhav Thackeray member in a way tweeted. Later we saw Abu Azmi's statement. So it seems that whatever happened in Maharashtra is quite visible in Uttar Pradesh as well. And as Parliament is on, we may expect much statements coming from Samajwadi Party MPs coming in. It's going to be worth seeing how Congress Party reacts to it, because UP Congress leaders are quite anguished with the post of IP Singh here in Lucknow. So we may expect some more drama in Parliament as well as in Uttar Pradesh about this particular incident between
Samaj keep tracking. This is just heating up. If a Samajwadi Party senior leader, is this messaging right about Rahul Gandhi only, or perhaps larger at a Congress party? And is this from SP or just a leader's view? Remember, in many ways, it is also an attempt, as it appears, to not take Rahul Gandhi's leadership for opposition leadership, but primarily only for the Congress.